Here's a quick run through of these wax melts mock-up. First thing you're greeted with is this black screen saying space saving layer. You can delete that. That's just to keep the file size down. To put your design on the box, you double click this blue layer, so where it says double click smart objects, so you just double click there. You can update or say no, it doesn't matter here, this is just my holding design. To get your own design on, you go to File, Place Embedded, and then navigate to wherever your design is. I don't have one at the moment, so I'll just pretend that we've just uploaded this is the design. Right, so hopefully you'll just see your design there, and you can delete any of my layers. When you're happy and you're happy with positioning, this is the maximum available area for the label. I've gone for a smaller one here. When you're happy, click this X and say yes, and there will be your design. So run through that again, double click Smart Object, File, Place Embedded, find your design, close this and say yes. Okay, there's some other things you can do here. You can change the wax color, and that's this green layer here, and it's by double clicking this color overlay. You then get this palette picker, so change that to whatever color you want. You can turn off the shadow. You can change the blur on the reflections, so you can either change the opacity, or you can change the definition of the reflections by double clicking Gaussian blur. If you want to swap out your background, you can do. Just turn off that one and then go File, Place Embedded, and choose your background. Don't think there's anything else to cover.